Hey guys, welcome to the Ultimate PostKit add-on tutorial. In today's video, we'll talk about how you can customize the Eldora Post Carousel widget to reshape your blog landing page. Let's drag and drop the widget into the page. Eldora Carousel displays your post in a magazine-like interface with the post image and details side by side while accompanied by the previous and next post images. Clicking on the navigation arrow swiftly changes the active post, and the animation is pretty eye-catching too. From the options, the first section lets you customize the total number of columns, item gap, item height, and image size of the widget. Next is the query, when you can use the include filter to select specific categories of posts and only show them on the carousel. There are a lot more options here you can take advantage of. In the additional section, you will find lots of switchers that you can toggle to show or hide certain elements from the carousel interface. Also, there is a button text field that allows you to change the read more button text on the slides. Next, there are 5 types of navigation systems available for you to choose from. By default, it's arrows, but let's switch to the arrows and dots for this. Then you can customize the position of the navigation. Then select an arrowhead icon from the 23 predefined styles available here. By default, the navigation is hidden with the left switcher turned on in this section. After the navigation comes the Carousel Settings section, which is basically the animation controls for the widget. First, you can change the carousel direction between horizontal and vertical. Then tweak the autoplay, loop, animation speed, or any controls to make your carousel fit for the job. However, in the Style tab, you get to customize the appearance of the Eldora carousel with a number of controls available here. Starting with the item section, where you could edit the background colors and add a border or change the border radius values to round the edges. In the next section, you can decorate the title text with any of the 4 hover styles. Then change the color and hover color for the perfect shot. You might want to use text shadow for more style, but customize the typography to get the best available font style for the titles. Take your time while you are at it. Then from the text section, you can change the color of the text and then go for the typography option. The same goes for author text. First the text color, then the hover color. Finish it off with some font style with typography. Then go back into categories section. First, let's make the text color white. Then for the background, let's go with black but reduce the opacity to create a glass-like texture. Then switch to the hover subsection to create a hover style with the white text and red background. As always, go for the typography. Moving to the date time section, let's change the text color and then the font style. Then go to the read more section. First, change the text color, then the background color. For hover, simply reverse the colors and see the hover effect on the button. There are many options here to customize the button appearance also. Now move to the navigation section. Here, let's change the arrows color to red first, with a red background but a very low opacity. For hover, let's select white for the arrow icon and then red for the background. Back into the normal subsection, you might want to add border radius to the arrows to curve their background edges. Also customize padding for a nice shape. Then adjust the size a bit as well as the space between the arrows. Then for the dots, let's change the color to red, which will eventually be in reduced opacity. Paint the dots red in active subsection also. Then maybe change the width, height and then some offset values to distance them from the carousel. And that's it, you have a nice looking post carousel ready to rock your blogs. That's all we had to show you today. Hope this video helped. Please like, share and subscribe this channel to get updates on new tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.